No. All right. So I just finished cleaning. It's been about a 2-hour process to switch out all the rugs, the food, the water. The littles had the full run of the sunroom, so they ran back and forth and tired themselves out. So it's nap time for them. In the meantime, the big little babies, they've been able to be outside. We had them out on the patio. And then we also had them out in the yard earlier in the morning. I didn't take pictures, but they did. They walked the whole yard and ran, and they are starting to meet more of the adult geese. Severon has proclaimed, there he is, has proclaimed himself daddy, so he watches over them very intently. He's a good boy. Those are all the dirty rugs that will be hosed off shortly. It's a process, but I do it because I love my babies. Oh, babies. Oh, babies. Oh. Oh, let me get down on the ground with you. Hi. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, babies. Hello. Hello. Hi, sweeties. Hello. Look how big you're getting. Look at all the feathers you have. Yeah. They still love to play, too. Well, happy Easter, everybody.
some lettuce. Is it tasty?
Look, there's more goodies in the bottom. You guys want some peas or some cucumbers? Oh, look at that. How we doing, littles? How are my babies? All right, so these babies are about 4 weeks old now. I can't believe it. They're starting to get their feathers. We're having a little outside time. They have some tubs so they can splash around. Severon is anxiously pacing, but this allows them to continue to get used to seeing the adults that they will soon be interacting with. They'll get scared of them at first, but they will learn. We do this every year. Now the babies are out getting sun time and splash time while I'm taking care of business. I've said in prior videos, I'm just gonna focus on Blossom here and my yard, which hopefully will soon be grass. We'll be planting soon. So my daily chores, I am allergic to pine, bedding, anything extra fragrant. So I have to rely on other options for my brooder. So these are it. I use washable pea pads. I use indoor-outdoor rugs, whelping mats, if that's what you want to call it. Every single day I come out here, I hang them all up, I hose them all down, Things like the pee pads will go through a wash cycle. The rugs just dry, and we power wash them at least once a month to make sure they're good and clean. But they get hosed down every day, and this is only a portion of it. So if you've ever gotten a Gosling from me, you know it's work, because this is daily. This is as soon as I can, when it's warm enough for them, when they're big enough that I don't have to worry about hawks swooping by, and getting them used to the adults. I spend at least 2 hours a day with my Goslings, and I visit them at least 4 to 5 times a day. We get up, we start with morning kisses, huh? Yeah, we get picked up, we get kisses, we get pets, we get a little talk. Then we refresh all their water and their food, which is over there right now. At this age, they are on adult food as well. I gotta get them inside because the flies are starting to take over. It's just that time of year. But I just wanted you guys to know that it's not all disgusting and dirty in my house. It is clean because I wash and clean after them every day.